Hey everyone, I'm Ali.
I'm Carol, and we're the no-life couple.
Hangover gang.
Let us tell you one thing. Nova Rockafeller, she blew us away in No Good Bastards. So we decided...
She killed it.
Woo! So we decided to check out her song. A lot of you has recommended it. It's called Hey You. So we're so excited to check it out. And for non-Arabic speakers, we're adding subtitles. So with no further ado, let's get it.
Took the knife in the back and she cut through her wrist. Everything hurt, didn't want to exist. She was faded and lost, she became the abyss. I was born in the blood with the name on my lips.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I love her already. Okay, that's apart from this video. I loved her from No Good Bastards.
Nova.
She's
we're not even into it yet.
Is this a rock song? Let's just rewind it.
Took the knife in the back and she cut through her wrist. Everything hurt.
Took the knife from her back and cut her wrist. Oh, it's like she stabbed in the back.
But she like shook it off. Like.
No, maybe someone has stabbed her in the back and she was trying to attempt suicide because she's trying to cut her wrist.
She's for cutting.
Then what's she saying?
Didn't want to exist. She was faded and lost, she became the abyss. I was born in the blood with the name.
Okay, she's becoming the abyss. She's lost and faded. I became the abyss.
Born in the blood.
She become an abyss. There's a quote, I guess, from Nietzsche. If you stare at the abyss stares back at you.
Ooh.
It's like if you ponder your life for too long, if you dwell in your things, you eventually lose yourself in the process
and become
lost. That's why she said lost and faded.
What other you want from me? Y'all don't even know Nova. I'm back for everything they stole from me. Stop telling me who I'm supposed to be. They want broke Nova, they want sad Nova, they want all the smoke until I rap Nova. They want cute Nova, they want bad Nova, they want all the things they can't have Nova.
You want the
She's
the
so
red,
scary, but cute at the same time.
Till I get the red Nova. Whoa, whoa,
what?
whoa.
They stole from me. Stop telling me who I'm supposed to be. They want broke Nova, they want sad Nova, they want all the smoke until I rap Nova. They want
they want the smoke till I'm red Nova. That's a nice bar.
They want bad Nova, they want all the things they can't have Nova. I'm a new Nova, I'm a rich Nova, I'm gonna start a fire key, a whip Nova. I'm the same Nova, I'm insane Nova. You won't ever change Nova. I'm a grave digger, I'm a flamethrower, I'm a pretty Nova.
What? I'm a flamethrower?
I'm a grave digger. I'm a flamethrower.
She's taking no prisoners.
Move away from me. Move away from me. I kill you all.
But I want to know what she's talking to. Who's she's talking about?
I'm sure we're gonna find out.
Someone has stabbed her because she started that. She was pulling the knife from.
Betrayed.
It's like, yes, they betrayed her, and they want the old Nova. They want the new.
And they don't know the Nova Lay.
Maybe it's her name before she was professionally.
Nova Lay,
not
the real name?
I think that's she's talking about herself.
Not Rockafeller. Oh,
not Rockafeller.
I'm a diamond chain around the violent brain.
Whoa!
I'm beautiful.
You're the boss.
Whoa!
I kick ass at the same damn time. I loved her.
Nova, you won't ever change Nova. I'm a grave digger, I'm a flamethrower, I'm a pretty with no makeover. I'm a diamond chain around a violent brain, trying to hide the pain before it takes over. It ain't safe, y'all ain't go for how I'm made. I'm constructed from destruction. You can't build me till it breaks.
Wow! You're not made for. It ain't safe. You ain't made from what I'm.
Made from what I'm.
I'm constructed from destruction.
Like what wrecked me, built me into who I am.
It's like all the struggles she's been through made her.
Nova.
Today. I loved how tough she is. That's the definition of a strong woman, in my opinion.
Fire.
Ooh. How beautiful she is. I stole it from somebody I killed. Do you like my style?
She's
talking about herself. She killed her old self.
to become a new,
Nova. Oh.
a renovated Nova.
I like this one. That's a
But-
nice line. بس عرفت؟ No. Do you like my style? As if she's talking to someone today. As if.
Look at me now. Hey you, look at me now. Look what I've made.
That's right. Maybe someone has betrayed her or thought differently about her in the past, but now I've changed because you change. People change to the better. So she
Not
changed.
everyone changed to the better, but she did.
She did.
She turned over back.
challenging them. And look at this Nova.
Ooh.
I'm still the same, but I killed my old self, and this is my style now. Oh.
Do you like my smile? I got it from the way that I smell. I was a young Nova, real dumb Nova. Pulled with your house with a gun Nova. Now I'm grown Nova, brought a home Nova. Planting money trees, watch me grow Nova. With a cold shoulder and a no Nova. Whole squad, I'm alone.
Okay, I'm so shocked.
I grow the tree, the dollar tree, and I grow.
Let me just
Go back.
Real dumb Nova. Pulled with your house with a gun Nova. Now I'm grown Nova, brought a home Nova. Planting money trees, watch me grow Nova. With a cold
okay, as if
Land money.
she's grinding to she's making an effort to now she has money.
Now I'm
That's
rich.
awesome.
Now I
I'm
have my
rich.
own money. Now I'm doing my thing.
I'm doing my thing.
I'm rich.
I'm rich.
Like earlier, yeah, she told.
that's
I'm no Nova. Whole squad, I'm a lone soldier. And I've grown older.
She said something, they beeped it. Whole squad? I'm a lone soldier. I mean, maybe she's saying, screw your whole squad, I'm a lone soldier.
Ooh.
Well,
Like,
maybe that's why she's independent.
Oh.
I'm a lone
Like,
soldier.
and I grow my own money, and I make
I
it.
take
I'm making
them
it,
all out.
and I make my own tree, money,
Money.
dollar tree. Like, ooh.
Smart Nova, and I'm always taking money to the heart Nova. I'm a supernova, money supernova.
Supernova.
Losing Nova, I'm slim Nova, I'm a womb Nova. Kill on me, I'm the true Nova. It ain't safe, I'm too real for all these fakes. Y'all can show me with something they gave me when I was made. Hey,
Wow. She's drawing a comparison between you're all two fakes, I'm real.
Yeah. And I killed the old Nova.
I killed the old Nova. Wow. Let's just find it.
kill on me, I'm the true Nova.
I'm the true Nova.
It ain't safe, I'm too real for over. I'm a supernova, money supernova. Get a bag and never lose it Nova. I'm slim Nova, I'm a womb Nova. Kill on.
Did you hear this?
What?
I'm Slim Nova, I'm Woo Nova.
Shady?
Shady?
Wu-Tang?
Wu-Tang?
Wu-Tang Clan? Oh.
I loved her more right now. I mean, she's inspired by the goat. At least for us. He's the goat.
Eminem, come on,
I
man.
loved
Come on,
her
man.
even more.
Come on, man.
Me, I'm the true Nova. It ain't safe, I'm too real for all these fakes. Y'all constructed without something they gave me when I was made. Hey,
Did you listen? It's like she's saying what she's made from is different from you don't have what I was made from.
Oh.
She said the same lines she said in the first verse.
I'm a different fabric, baby.
You don't have a foundation for yourself. When you got constructed,
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
playing on these words. Whoa!
now are you in love with somebody I was? Hey, do you see me around and hate the person that I become?
Wow! Hey you!
You like my style? I stole it from
Oh, a piano.
somebody I killed. Hey,
She uncovered the piano.
I love this one.
She uncovered the piano.
The piano.
Like,
So
I'm
she's-
gonna do my own thing.
She's
I'm
an
gonna-
artist at the end of the day. You know, like just like Tom. She's just the female version of Tom. Wow, I love them so much.
What a couple, yeah?
It's like she has been chewed up and spit out all her life, and now she's proving herself
She came back
even stronger
Tougher.
than before. And
Like-
she's just, wow.
and like raging on everyone.
That's right. Just taking no prisoners.
like my smile. I got it from the way that I smell. Do you know what? No one will catch you when you fall. Pick yourself up off the bathroom floor. You haven't lost it all. Do you know what? Pick your phone up. What they call them, the joke, all the tears, and then that place just smiling on.
She is.
That part.
When she was talking
To her. To
herself.
Nova, talking to Nova. Nova. Hey, you, get up from the bathroom floor. Hey, you, pick the phone when they. Wow.
She's like, she's the only one who salvaged
Like,
herself
get a
from
grip.
her old self.
Get a grip.
And
get
get
it together.
back up.
Get back up. You're tough. You're tougher than that.
I mean, how can someone consider Cardi B a talent and we have Nova? How? Just how?
Oof.
She's true definition of strong woman. We need to look up to her. I love her.
Hear her, clearly. She ain't kidding. She ain't playing.
This is what a strong woman sounds like. Shot, directed, and edited by Nova.
Rock, rap, like they did.
And she already does Tom McDonald's videos. I mean, what a powerful couple. She and Tom. They are powerful. Power couple.
كنت متوقع
No, I'm so proud of her. I already love her.
She blew me away. I didn't even know what.
I just wish her more success, really.
She will.
And they are independent. That's what blew me away every time. They deserve more success and
they're doing it.
Recognition.
They're doing it. They're blowing the internet every time they drop.
I loved her. We have to do more
Nova.
for the next time.
And,
More
and
Tom.
More Tom. And more.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
She's a real
Hangover
talent.
Gang.
She's a real talent, just like Tom. I just can imagine them what they do at house. They write all the time.
They're writing.
She does the editing. And
how about that beat? Let me show you that beat. Oh man,
I love them. I look up to them.
We love them and we love you.
Love you, Hangover Gang.
Hangover Gang.
And I just want to take this opportunity to thank all Hangover family and gang because you've been so supportive.
Totally.
And we thank you for watching this video. And of course, we'll do more Tom. Because we have this cherry pie. We have 2 slices of the cherry pie on Friday.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for more videos and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.